Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and today in this video I will discuss about a recruitment taking place by Oil India Limited. Oil India Limited is a Navratna public sector company is inviting online application from eligible candidates for jobs in Oil India Limited in Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. So guys, the notification for the advertisement was out on 24th August 2021 officially on the website of Oil India Limited. So in this video we will discuss about various categories of jobs, salaries, eligibility criteria, age limit, qualification, number of posts and reservation, selection procedure, syllabus and every vital point that is required in this recruitment. I suggest you guys to please visit the website mentioned in the description box of this video so that you do not miss any vital point for this recruitment. So guys, let's start the video. Friends, there are total 14 various categories of different categories of jobs here, and in front of the job code or post code you can see the qualification required for these posts. Like if you see that job without ITI or any special professional qualification, then you can find 11th number of that post code ATO 12021. That is only for PCM 12th candidates. And here guys you can also see the number of posts, like the post code first, that is for electrician trade, and you can see here electrician trade and recruitment for this for those candidates who have qualified in class 10th and have ITI certificate. And number of total post is 38, and here reservation is SC, ST and OBC, AWS and EUR for different categories. I suggest you guys to please look at your desired post. If you do not have any ITI or any special kind of certificate that is required for various posts, so you can just apply for post number 11th, that is for only 10+2 PCM candidates. If you are passed in class 12th, then you can apply for these posts. Here the recruitment for this post has reservation of various categories. Here if you are from unreserved candidate, then you can apply for 21 post. If you are from OBC non-creamy layer, then you have got 11 plus 21, that's your post. And same like this guys. If we talk about salary, then you can see here the pay scale is 26,000 to 90,000. So you can assume that your salary will be initially around 30k, means 30,000, and then salary will be increased as per time experience. If we talk about age limit, then the decisive cutoff date for defining age limit and your qualification is 23rd September 2021. And if you belong to general and EWS category, then you must be in between 18 years to 30 years. And if you are from SC/ST, then you can claim 5 years of exemption in age, and in OBC NCL non-creamy layer you can find or get 3 years of age relaxation. Friends, if we talk about selection procedure, then you have to appear for CBT computer based online test. And here is the criteria, means if you are from SC and ST category including PWD, means handicapped or the young candidate, then you just have to score 40% out of 100%. And if you belong to OBC, EWS and general category, then you have to secure 50% at least marks. The syllabus is mentioned here, like you will get 3 sections: English language and general knowledge awareness related, and questions on Oil India Limited, reasoning at mathematics and domain of relevant technology or technical knowledge. If you are appearing for 10+2, then you must get their physics and chemistry and science based or mathematical based subjects. You should keep in mind that the examination will be conducted only in Assamese and English language. So if you belong from Madhya Pradesh or Uttar Pradesh or Bihar or any state from India, then you have to choose English if you do not have any knowledge of Assamese. Like you can see here, the CBT will be bilingual English and Assamese. Here you will not get Hindi as an option, and the MCQ based CBT will be conducted, and timing for the examination will be 2 hours only. And also remember, there will be no negative marking. Here the final merit will be prepared on the basis of CBT based examination, means higher marks gets a higher merit. Here are some essential documents that you have to reproduce when get selected. So this is not a big deal. You can just check it from official website or official notification that is provided on the website that I have mentioned in description box of this video. Friends, after getting selected, you just have to for medical examination that is normal in nature, and after that you get appointment in this company, and initially you will be selected there for 12 months of provisional period, means there you will not get any kind of extra emoluments, but you get initial least pay scale. In this official notification, an instruction regarding COVID-19 is also given, so you just have to follow COVID-19 SOPs in all the stages of this examination. As I have already talked you about the cutoff date or crucial cutoff date, that is 23/9/2021, means you have to get qualifications, and your age limit must be least or within the age that is prescribed in this application. That decisive cutoff date will be 23rd September 2021. So here is the dates, means you can apply from 24th August 2021 to 23rd September 2021 till 12 PM or 11:59 PM. So you just have to fill as earlier as possible, because later you can face server issues. For applying this recruitment, you just have to visit official website of this notification mentioned link, and this link you can get from the website I have mentioned in description box link. Friends, if you belong from general and OBC or EWS candidate, then you just have to pay 200 as online application fee exclusive of GST, means you have to pay GST extra charges. And if you belong to from SC, ST, PWD, you just don't have to pay any kind of fee. Sorry for my mistake, here EWS is also included for fee exempted. So if you have got a EWS certificate, you will not have to pay any kind of fee. So friends, hope your all queries has been resolved, and if you have any question regarding this application or recruitment, you can just make comment in comment box, and I will reply to you. Thanks a lot guys.